Well, I was complaining about it being 36 degrees and cold, and now it's 7 degrees and snowing. I'm gonna still go play. Not sure if I mentioned this, but there's also 30-mile-an-hour winds, so it's cold. Yeah, that's actually not that bad. I mentioned it's cold out here. It's so close. Okay, this is miserable. The rest of this video was shot 2 days ago when it was like 50 degrees out and I was saying it's way too cold. Out here in Little Rock, Arkansas, playing the Burns Park course. It has 2 courses. You've got the blue and the red. The blue is a lot longer, less woods, whereas the red's a lot more technical, shorter holes, which is the one that I'll be playing today. Now, the super cool thing about this course is that it has a vending machine. All right, so the goal today is to buy one of these and then play the front 9 out here at the Burns Park Red. So the question is, what do I buy? We've got the Nomad, Assols, Inium Omega, Shrike, FD, Thrasher, Orion, Jet, the Trace, a Roach, a Scorpius, and a KC Pro AVR. What is so funny? What are you laughing about? All right, so I'm gonna snag the Scorpius for a whopping $13.99. All right, for whatever reason, it's not letting me buy the Scorpius. So, we're giving up on blue. I'm gonna go with the Orion. So disrespectful, I don't... I guess 38 this time? It's about to work. Let's go! Could you imagine if this got stuck in there like a candy bar? Orion, Oreo, what do we... We'll call it the Quantum O for now. All right, we got the Quantum O, 9-4-1-1. So pretty straight flying fairway. Hole 1, 272, pretty straight. I'm starting off with a forehand today, so shout out to all my forehand throwers. Not the best. Fortunately, I don't have a putter. Thought about snagging that KC Pro AVR, but one disc. Next shot, 274, tight gap, another forehand because it's off to the right. It's down there. That was close. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm in the process of building my bag, and this straight up might make the bag. Another forehand hole, 260 feet, it's off to the right. A very tight gap. Still like the disc. Hole 5, apparently 260 is the magic number out here. Basket's staring right back at you. However, there's a lot of little trees sprinkled throughout the fairway, making this a little tough. If I was in the way, don't worry, it was nothing to look at. Thankfully, I just squared that tree up. Nice, easy little upshot. That was honestly a good second tree. Okay, 224, basket's off to the right, so another forehand. In hindsight, I probably should have bought that KC Pro AVR because these are all finesse style holes. Not really the best for a fairway, but I still like the disc. I'm gonna rip on this after the 9 holes, so you guys stay for the whole video. stump. Sorry about that. It wasn't the stump's fault. 3 down heading into hole 8, 240 feet this time. But straight uphill, you can see the basket kind of peeking over the hill. Who knew that I would buy a disc out of a vending machine and it would go straight in the bag? I might be overhyping this disc, but I mean, it just, in my hand, it felt great. I feel like the disc is doing exactly what I want, other than the tree that I hit earlier, but... Okay, the final hole, hole 9. Thankfully, it's off to the right this time, because if it was down the center, that is probably the hardest hole in the course, because there's not a line, and the tree kicks are brutal. But it's not in the demon position, it's off to the right, so... It took a tree kick, but I think we're good. Moment of truth. Welcome home. All right, so 4 down with the Orion. I ran into some friends. They told me that's how you say it. So if I'm wrong, get mad at them, not me. I'm gonna go rip this in an open fairway and see how it flies with some actual power behind it. All those holes were only 260 feet, so I'm gonna actually put some power on this, see how far it flies. I mean, it's literally what I need. So there's this weird trend going around where people are putting up their top 5 highest rated rounds. It's so weird. I don't know why people do that. Anyways, I've got a new unreleased disc showing up next week. So if you guys have any guesses to that, let me know. I'm gonna be playing 9 holes with it. So be sure you guys sub and check that out, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.